Hi there pluckers, I've sore fingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting lesson. This is a very old song called Maria Elena from a band called Los Indios Tabajaras, I believe, or something very similar to that. Okay, very old song, instrumental. Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the key of C. Okay, so there, what you heard there was basically the first part of the song. So I'm going to break it down into sections, okay? So starting off with part one, starts off with a bit of a slide, top E string, from the 3rd fret to the 8th fret. And then we got this little bit. So we just go from 7 to 8, okay? So it's slide, 3 to 8, and then 7 to 8, and then back to 7, okay, so it's, and then we do a little back to 7, hammer up to 8 and pull off back to 7, so it's, got that, and then down to 5, and then back to 8, so it's 3 to 8 slide, 7 to 8, and then we do a hammer from 7 to 8 back to 7, to 5 and back to 8. And then we do a little slide on the 3rd string, G string, from 7 to 9. And then we finish on the 8th fret on the 2nd string. So, right, 7 to 9 on the 3rd, and then 8 on the 2nd. So far. Okay, and then we do this little bit. Double stops, starting on the top E string, 7th fret, 1st finger, 8th fret on the 2nd string with the 2nd finger, 2 hits on those 2 strings, 1st and 2nd strings, go down 1 fret with the same shape, and then down another fret, ending up on the 5th fret, top E, and the 6th fret on the 2nd string. So 2 hits on the first one, one hit on that and 1 hit on that one. So far. Okay, so far so good. Bit of a break, a little pause, and we can do this bit. That's 10 on the top E string, down to 9, and then back to 10. So back to 9, down to 8, down to 7. So it's 10, 9, back to 10, back to 9, back to 8, 7. Okay, got that. Next bit is the 7th fret of the 3rd string. I'm doing it with my 1st finger, and then going to the 8th fret of the 2nd string. So, and then I'm sliding that up to 12 on the 2nd string, and then hitting it again when we get to the 12th. So far with this little bit. Bit of a minute pause, and then you do that, go from the 8 on the 2nd to the 12 on the 2nd again, and then we do that slide again on the 3rd string from 7 to 9, finish on that 8 on the 2nd again. Okay, so far we got this. Slowly. So far so good. Then we got this really fast, quite lick, quite a very nice little piece, and it's slow motion. Right, so what am I doing there? So I'm starting on the 13th fret of the second string up to the 15th fret of the second string to the 12th fret on the top E string. Now the way I play this is to go up to the 15th fret on the top E string with my first finger. Okay, so I go. Okay, now if you're very good with your dexterity with your four fingers, you could play that with your pinky. Okay, because what you need to do is when you've hit that 15th fret of the top E string once, you hit it again, and then there's a run down like that. So you got now I like to do it with my first finger, but a lot of clever people would do that with their pinky and just do it with four fingers. But I can't do that very quickly. So what I do, I cheat and I go. I do it, slide it down with your first finger, hit it, then hit it again. Do that. Like that. Then you so far we've got. Then we go back to the 15th fret on the second string, to the 13 on the second, so it's. Then we go to the 14th fret of the third string, and then the 12th on the third string, sorry. So that's 14 on the third to 12 on the third. So it's and then we go to the back to the 14th on the third again and do a bend up, down and up. That sort of down bend, then let go and go back to that 12th on the third. So you got. Then we go to the 4th string and do the same thing with a bend on the 14th fret, bend down and up, and then to that 12th on the 4th. Okay, so now we've got. Then we go down to the 10th on the 4th, to the 12th on the 5th, and then the 10th on the 5th. So you got. Got that? Once again, so far all the way from the beginning up to that point, okay? Here we go. Okay, so far so good, hopefully. Right, next bit, another slide, this time from 3 up to 12, top E string. Then we do 7 on the top E to 10, back to 7, so it's 7 to 10 to 7 to 8. So you've got slide from 3 to 12 on the top E, and then on the top E 7 to 10, 7 to 8. Alright, got that? Right, how haven't got that far, so once again we'll just repeat this. Right, now comes some more quick stuff. Right, so this is on the 3rd string, 7th fret, down to 5, 4, then back to 5, back to 4, 7 to 5 to 4 to 5 to 7, back to 7. Got that? 7, 5, 4, 5, 7. All on the 3rd string. Then we go to the 2nd string, 5 to 6 to 8. Sorry. And then we slide from that 8th fret to the 12th fret on the 2nd string. So. Got that? Do a pause and then you do a bend up and down on that note. On that 2nd string, 12th fret, up, down. Bend it up and then let it go down. Then we do some double stops. This is the 10th fret of the 3rd string and the 2nd string together. Just the 3rd string and 2nd string. Same strings and down here. Okay, that's the 6th fret of the 2nd and the 7th fret of the 3rd. Because that's okay. So let's just do that bit again from the slide from 3 to 12. Okay. Okay, got that? Right then, boys and girls, after you've done that little bit, we come to the final bit of this section, okay, and it's this. Okay, so what am I doing there? So after you've come out of that double stop part, we do this little bit. So I'm starting on the 5th string, 5th fret to 3rd fret, back to 5, so 5 to 3 to 5, all on the 2nd string, up to 6 on the 2nd string. I tend to use my 3rd finger and 1st finger, and then move my 3rd finger up to the 6th fret, and then my 2nd finger takes over on the top E string, 1st string, 5th fret. So you've got 5th fret, top E string over the, and then slide that up to 10 on the top E string. So it's got that. 3, 5, 5, 6, all on the 2nd string. Top E string, 5th fret. Slide it up to 10, top E string. Then we come down to the 7th fret on the top E string. So 7 to 8, top E string. And then we do the 5th fret of the top E string. And finally the 7th fret of the top E string. So far on this last section we've got okay, and then we've got this final little run. What that is, it's again we're on the 2nd string on the 5th fret this time, and I'm starting with my 1st finger, 5th fret, 2nd string, hit the note, hammer up to the 6th fret on the 2nd string and then pull off, back to the 5th fret on the 2nd string. Then we go to the 7th fret of the 3rd string, the G string, back to the 5th fret on the 2nd, 6th fret on the 2nd, 8th fret on the 2nd, so we got so far, and then slide that up to 12 on the 2nd. Okay. Slowly. And the little bit now is, again, we do a bend up and let go, same as we did before. And then we've got some more double stops. These are slightly different. This one is that. It's the 9th fret on the 3rd string with the 10th fret on the 2nd. Just those two strings, 3rd and 2nd strings. And then the final one is this 5th fret of the 3rd string and the 2nd string together. Okay. So there you have the first section of the song. Okay. So hopefully you enjoyed that, and hopefully you'll join me for the second section of the song shortly. Bye for now.